Hi children, let us now learn about the properties of quadrilateral. Also let us see different types of quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Any polygon with four sides are quadrilateral. Quadra means four sides. So different types of quadrilaterals are there. First type is parallelogram. So why we call it as a parallelogram? That is, each pair of opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. That is why we call it as a parallelogram. Now next one we'll see all the picture, then come back again with the properties. Okay. Rhombus. A parallelogram with sides equal length. All sides are equal and it is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel means it is a parallelogram, and the sides are also equal. Okay, sides are also equal, then it is a rhombus. Now next one, rectangle. A parallelogram with right angles. Here the importance is that all angles are right angle or it is 90 degree. We call it as a rectangle. Now the next quadrilateral, that is four-sided thing. A square, a rectangle with sides of equal length. It is a rectangle also because why? All the angles are 90 degree and the sides are also equal. So we call it as a square. Now a kite. A quadrilateral with exactly two pairs of equal consecutive sides. That is, equal means this side and this side is equal here and this one is equal. The near sides are only equal in this, not the opposite. The near sides, here we'll call it as 1, 2. 1 and 2 is equal. Here 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 is equal. So near sides are equal. So we call it as a kite. Now next last one is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. A pair. One of the pair will be parallel. One of the pair. So here this and this is parallel, but this one and this one is not parallel. So one pair will be parallel sides, that is trapezium. Now we'll see the properties from first. Okay. Parallelogram. A quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides are parallel. So what are the properties here? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal. This properties you should remember, children. It will be very important to solve each and every problem. These properties are very important. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. This angle and this angle will be equal, like this one and this one will be equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means what, you know, children? If this diagonal is 8 centimeter means the intersecting point, no, it will bisect each other half. So it will be like 4 and 4. That is the thing. If this totally it is 6 centimeter means it will be 3 and 3. That is what it is telling. Diagonal bisect to each other. It will bisect each other. Okay. Now the next is rhombus. All sides are equal. The properties of rhombus are all sides will be equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides will be what? It will be parallel to each other. Okay. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means here is a diagonal and this is the diagonal. So when they are intersecting, this angle formed will be 90 degree. Here the angles which is forming will be 90 degree. That is it. Okay. That is perpendicular. This is the property of rhombus. Keep in mind. Okay. Next one, opposite angles are equal. So you know that opposite angles are equal means this one. Opposite angles are equal. This angles will be equal. Now diagonals are the angle bisectors. Diagonals are the angle bisector. That means what, no, children? Diagonals, this you think so, this angle is 60 degree means this diagonal bisect the angle. Then this part it will be 30 and this side it will be 30. That is what? Diagonals are the angle bisector. This diagonal is an angle bisector. Okay. Same like if it is a, okay, this is the form. We'll go to the next one. Diagonals are the line of symmetry. Diagonals are the line of symmetry. It cut into two. It is the line of symmetry. Both the sides look alike. This is the line of symmetry. Both the sides look alike. Okay. Diagonals are the line of symmetry. Diagonals are the angle bisectors. Opposite angles are equal. And when the diagonals intersect a perpendicular, it will be 90 degree. Opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. Rhombus scheme. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. Rectangle. Rectangle, all angles are right angle. All the angle will be what? Right angle, that is 90 degree. For rectangle, all the angles will be 90 degree. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides will be equal and it will be parallel also. Diagonals are equal and bisect to each other. Diagonal will be of what? Equal length. If this diagonal is 5 centimeter, means this diagonal also will be 5 centimeter. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Okay. So same what I told, bisect each other means 10 centimeter totally, means here it will be 5 and 5. It has two line of symmetry and two rotational symmetry that you have learned before in 6th standard. Line of symmetry, that is two line of symmetry. It can be have a line of symmetry like this, and also it can have a line of symmetry like this. Okay, now we'll go to a rectangle, the property, a parallelogram with a right angle. A square. A square means a rectangle with side of equal length. Okay, so square means all sides will be equal, all angles are equal. Okay, all sides are equal, all angles are right angle and it is equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals are equal and bisect to each other at 90 degree. Here also the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, Papanika. Now diagonals are bisector of angles. Diagonals are bisector of angles. Here it will be 45 degree and here it will be 45 degree. Bisector. Okay. Now we'll go to next one. Kite. Okay. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other means it cuts at 90 degree. One of the diagonals bisect the other. One of the diagonals bisect the other. One pair of angles are equal. So, children, this angle and this angle will be equal. But this one and this one will be different. Okay. That is why it is told that one pair of angles are equal. Okay. Now, next is two pair of consecutive sides of equal measures. That is consecutive sides. Two pairs. That is here I have already mentioned. Near sides will be equal. This and this will be equal. Okay. Now, second point, one of the diagonals bisect each other. That is, this is a diagonal and this is another diagonal. This diagonal, this long one, bisect the smaller one into half. So, this long diagonal cut the small diagonal into, if totally it is 6 means 3 and 3. Like this it will be cutting. Okay. Now, it has two diagonals of different length. The diagonals are of different length. Trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. One pair will be parallel. One of the parallel sides. So, here only one pair will be parallel. This is the condition for a trapezium. Okay. Trapezium, kite, square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Okay. Now we'll go to the next topic. Thank you, children.